Hi team, Uwe Jacobs Property Friends, sending regards from a nice sunny Hobart. Well, this is the next installment, the March installment of our tips and tricks video series. So I often get asked, how do we do a new area? How do we select on a new area? We run around, have fun in beautiful places like Hobart and just have a good time. No, seriously. And sorry about the dark glasses. The weather is beautiful in Hobart, as you can see, and life is good. So how do we do a new area? How do we select a new area? We start off with offside research. We look through lots of statistics, talk to other investors, and check out what area fulfills our strategy. From there, we build up a list of properties that have sold and rentals that are being taken up in that area. That gives us a mud map of what is our income and what is our cost. From there on, we talk to builders, identify house and land packages, so as to get a benchmark on what is the cost that we will be looking at. If that all stacks up, and we'll do that for probably 6 weeks, so that we get a good data set together. In the meantime, we obviously look for statistics and all sorts of information about the areas that we're looking at, and that puts us into the picture whether the area qualifies or not. Now, the way that we do things in Property Friends is that we go physically and visit the area, not once, not twice, probably 3 times before we lock in any deals, before we lock in any land. The challenge usually is that we need to find the right area in the town. And there are obviously many areas in a town that one can attack. Again, it comes back to the strategy. What's my growth predictions like, and what is the prediction for the rental income? Because you want to know your cost, you want to know your income. From there on, we talk to builders, negotiate prices on a set product, a set design, on a set, let's say, and average standard 600 square meter block. That gives you the benchmark about the builders. You talk to previous clients and so on and so forth. So it's really a game of due diligence, getting all the research together and putting the pieces in the puzzle together to find out what is my cost, being the house and land price, and what is my potential income, being the rental income. Now, very early up front, we will also identify 2 or 3 rental managers that we talk to and get market intelligence from them. So that's how we come up with the projects that we do. That gives you a bit of a overview of how we identify a market and how we do the research on markets. So that's how it works. And quickly also to the RBA update. The RBA has decided to leave the cash rate at 1.5%. As expected, nothing new. So that spells stability all around, which we like. There has not been a time in history, to my knowledge, where interest rates have been so low. And it is obviously very important to go into the right market, and that depends on strategy. So this was it, the tips and tricks RBA update for March 2017. Trust you're having fun, and take care. Have fun. Yibbida yibbida.